Hey Ben's babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mercedes, and today I'm showing y'all how I curl my She's Happy hair. But I did recently dye my hair, so let me know how y'all feel about this. Do y'all like dark hair Mercedes or light hair Mercedes? Like, which one is giving? I'm gonna tell y'all now, I'm liking the blonde. Like, I'm liking the light Mercedes. I love the light Mercedes. Like, I'm feeling her a little bit more. So if y'all want to know how I curl my hair and got these sexy bombshell curls, keep watching. Okay, y'all, so we're starting with very old hair. Like, I haven't combed my hair and maybe not combed my hair. I haven't curled my hair in about maybe 3-4 days. So yeah, I've been wearing it kind of like beach waves, so it's kind of falling, but it actually looks good on this side. Like, this side is actually really flirty and cute. This is the side that's like janky looking. So I put rollers on the top of my hair just because this is where my leave out is, and I don't want no heat damage. Like, I already got a little bit, I can already feel it. So yeah, I don't want any more heat damage. So today I'm using a Babyliss flat iron, Babyliss titanium. Yeah, there we go. So the Babyliss titanium. Just a little update on this hair. This is the She's Happy Hair Brazilian body wave, and I like the body wave because it keeps a curl for like a nice amount of time. Like, if I curl my hair today, it's gonna last at least 3 to 4 days. So yes, you see, like, this curl looks so nice. So yeah, I just let it sit, let it cool down, and move on to the next section. Yeah, this is the She's Happy Hair body wave. I got it in 24, 22, and 20 inch. I did cut the ends of this hair because I did bleach this hair. I'm gonna get to that in a minute. The ends did get a little raggedy after I bleached the hair, but that's to be expected. Like, I'm not really too much tripping on that. I'm just happy that the hair isn't shedding real bad and it's all thin and shit. So yeah, I didn't get a closure or frontal this time just because I'm kind of sick of that look. Like, not even that, but like, I like keeping my real hair very, very healthy. Like, I like keeping my edges full. As y'all see, like, my edges ain't done, but they're very, very full, and it's because I don't do the whole frontal closure thing. Like, even when I didn't always wear frontals and closures. Like, if I wore a frontal, I wouldn't get another weave until maybe like a month or two. No, the frontal closure thing, I'm not gonna say closures. I'm gonna leave closures out. I still like closures a lot, but I don't know, like frontals, my hairline comes too far out for frontals. Like, when I wear a frontal, I clearly see little baby hairs in the frontal. Like, no, I cannot do that no more. I'm sorry. Like, but I care more about my natural beauty than to sacrifice it for a frontal. Like, don't get me wrong, if it's a birthday, y'all may catch me in a frontal. I'm not even a cat. But yeah, like, just for like every day, just trying to look good. No, I'm kind of over frontals, y'all. That was a phase for me. I started getting frontals when I do colored hair. Like, if I didn't want to do my regular like dark brown black hair, I'll do a frontal because I didn't want to bleach my hair either. Like, I was going through a phase where I just really didn't want to color my hair. I didn't even want to put heat on my hair. Like, I didn't want to touch my hair at all. So I was like, okay, wigs are the go-to because I want these styles, but I don't want to get heat damage. I don't want to damage my hair from bleach and color. So wigs are the go-to. I'm not gonna say I'm over that because I definitely still care about my natural hair, but I'm more so on the side where I'm not so strict on not putting heat on it. Like, I still don't want to put too much heat on it. Like, I'm just constantly putting heat on my hair. I'm not gonna put heat on my hair like once a week or twice a week. Like, if anything, maybe once every 2 months. Like, that's okay. Like, I'm not just super strict on it. Like, back in the day, I didn't want to put no heat on my hair at all. Like, under no circumstances. Like, not even a blow dryer. So now I'm just a little bit more lenient. Like I said, I'm okay with putting heat on my hair. It just can't be every week type thing. Like, it can't be every week, every 2 weeks. I'm going to a hairstylist every week to get a silk press, or I'm going every month to get a silk press. Like, no, I'm not on that type of time. Just real focused on keeping my real hair healthy. But like I said, I'm still focused on keeping it healthy, but I don't have to like be super strict on a no heat thing. Like, I could loosen up every now and then. But I'll tell you one thing, after I take this hair out, I probably won't get another weave until Let me stop saying that. That's like so old school. I won't get another install till probably maybe Valentine's Day, like, if that, like probably like around March or April, I'll get another install. But kind of liking the natural look again. Not too natural. Like, we're not over here trying to be Mother Nature now. Like, nah. But we do gotta have a little some, you know, like, I don't know. Ain't nothing wrong with being natural. Like, nothing's wrong with being natural. I like being just a little extra. Like, I don't have to be out there. Like, one thing I do like about She's Happy Hair is that when you bleach the hair, it still looks good. Like, one thing, different hair companies, when you bleach the hair, it gets real thin. The ends get thin. Like, and She Happy Hair does not do that. So I'm just gonna go back and curl some pieces. But I really like the body wave because it looks good curled or straight. I had their straight hair. I had a wig about a year ago, so I'll leave that video in the description box below. This is the Brazilian body wave. And I really like how it can, even after I bleach the hair, it still keeps a curl. The hair doesn't feel brittle and dry. Like, a lot of hair, like after you bleach it, it feels really dry and just weak. But this hair doesn't do that. I don't know if it's because, like, I did a treatment. Oh my god, I get so bad at curling, y'all. But I don't know if it's because, like, I did a deep treatment on the hair. But yeah, like, it doesn't feel dry, doesn't feel brittle. Like, it's still super soft, so I like that. That's my biggest thing, because I hate if I curl my hair right now and I leave the house, go out to eat, and my curls are falling. Like, no. Especially if it's windy. Like, no, I don't like that. Like, no. So I like that even when these curls fall, it gives you like a beach wave kind of look, like a body wave. But yeah, how do y'all feel about frontals? Let me know in the comments below, because I don't know. Like I said, like, I just got tired of them after I stopped wearing colored hair. Like, after I stopped wearing colored hair, I'm like, there's no point in this. Why I had to bleach the She's Happy hair so it could blend with my leave out. So yeah, and I think my hair blends pretty good with the weave. Like, I think the color looks pretty good, and I think the texture blends with it pretty good as well. So I really like Brazilian because it matches my hair texture really good, from what I feel. And I'm gonna be honest, I haven't really tried any other textures, so maybe that's gonna be my thing in 2022. Try like Indian hair, Peruvian, all that bullshit. And I think I tried Peruvian, but I probably forgot. Like, I probably didn't even know it was Peruvian. So this is so cute. Like, and I just love to finger comb it a little bit. Yes, tell me how y'all feel about these curls in this color. Like, this color is everything for me. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope y'all liked it. I tried to make it real simple. Like, I know curling hair can be hard, so yeah, I tried to make it real simple, straight to the point. Especially for my natural girls who don't want to put too much heat on their hair, stick to flexi rods. Matter of fact, it's even better to do it at night. Like, if you know you got work tomorrow, you're going on a date tomorrow, whatever the case is, flexi rod your leave out, okay? Like, I used to do that all the time in high school. So that is it for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and I'm gonna leave all my social medias down below. That is it for this video, and I'll see y'all later. Mwah.